Okay, for my exercise, I went running on the treadmill. It's kind of my new thing now. But with that, I want to talk about how we deal with sources of acid. This is definitely one of my favorite things ever, but I made a chart. So over here, this is kind of representing glycolysis, where our 6-carbon molecule is turning into 2 pyruvates, and that's going to make carbon dioxide when pyruvate turns into acetyl-CoA. It's dropping off one of those carbon molecules, and then also in Krebs cycle itself, it's making carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is going to be a source of acid because of this, these two processes right here. So what's happening is on the red blood cell, we have carbon dioxide that's going to react with water, and it's going to make carbonic acid. Carbonic acid on the red blood cell is then going to turn into a hydrogen ion and bicarbonate. This hydrogen ion is what denatures hemoglobin, which is why hemoglobin can also act as a buffer, because it's kind of sacrificing itself. But what happens is, because we're denaturing hemoglobin, we're going to offload oxygen, and that's the Bohr effect in the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. So that's pretty cool. And then bicarbonate is going to be ejected off the red blood cell into the plasma, and this is where it acts as a buffer. What's going to happen is bicarbonate is going to accept hydrogen ions that we make from lactate plus hydrogen, or from ATPase when we break down ATP to ADP plus inorganic phosphate plus hydrogen ion. This hydrogen ion reacting with this bicarbonate buffer, and we're going to create carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is then going to turn into carbon dioxide and water, and then carbon dioxide is what we exhale when we relax our diaphragm. So this is kind of where everything comes together. Super cool to see, and this is happening when we exercise. So